Have you ever had a flat tire and did not know what to do? No worries. I'm here to make it super easy for you. I'm going to demonstrate the process using the Land Cruiser 300. Let's get rolling. But of course, I can't change a tire in my heels. Let me get into my comfort Vans. You know, every lady must move with a spare shoe. You never know what happens. Safety first. Let's warn other road users that we have a breakdown. Let's get our triangles. Ideally, when you're on a highway, place your reflective triangles 150 meters away from the vehicle, both in the front and the back of the vehicle, to make sure vehicles coming from the back are able to see the breakdown and the vehicles in the front are able to notice the breakdown. Now that we are done with safety, let's grab our trusty jack. It's packed snugly in a compartment on the left side of the boat. Next up, let's fetch our tool bag. Lift up that deck board, grab the tool bag. Time to get that spare tire ready. Follow me. Assemble the jack handle. Just take the extension bar and wheel nut wrench from the tool bag and snap them together. Remove the cover just above the bumper. This end of the jack handle goes in first into the lowering screw. Make sure you feel that it locks when you insert it. Lower the spare tire to the ground. The moment your tire reaches the ground, make sure to free the chain from the tire by pulling out the chain from the center of the tire without moving it. And if you have aluminum wheels, don't forget to take off the spare wheel cover. Alright, let's swap out that flat tire. Safety first. Choke the tires. For maximum safety, follow this diagram on how to correctly choke tires. Loosen the wheel nuts a bit, just 1/10. We are now jacking up the Land Cruiser 300. We replace the front piece with the one that has a hook. Make sure to tighten it up. Jack up your Land Cruiser LC 300 until the flat tire is off the ground. Off with the wheel nuts and the flat tire. Screw on the wheel nuts and hand tighten them. Lower the vehicle and give those nuts a good tighten in a crisscross pattern. And there you go. You've just replaced your flat tire like a champ. Now, let's put that flat tire back into storage. Putting the flat tire back into storage is just as easy. Follow these steps. Attach the holding brackets to the flat tire and secure it back onto the lowering screw. Use the jack handle to raise the flat tire back into its storage position under the vehicle. Make sure it's snug and secure. Replace the cover and store away the jack handle. And don't forget to put the tool bag back into its place and close the deck board. There you go. You've handled that flat tire like a pro. Make sure to go to a repair shop to have that flat tire fixed. Thank you for tuning in. Continue to follow CFRO Mobility on all our social media platforms for more awesome content.